Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you looking for an amazing Kodi build to enhance your streaming experience? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install the Diggz Xenon Kodi Build on your FireStick. Stick around and let's turn your FireStick into the ultimate entertainment hub. How to install Diggz Xenon Kodi Build on FireStick. Step 1. Preparing your FireStick. First things first, we need to tweak some settings on your FireStick to allow the installation of third-party apps. Let's do that now. Go to Settings on your FireStick home screen. Select My Fire TV. Click Developer Options. Enable apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging. Warning: be cautious when installing third-party apps. Only download from trusted sources. With these settings enabled, we're ready to move on. Step 2. Install the Downloader app. Next, we need the Downloader app to download Kodi and the Diggz Xenon Build. On the home screen, select the search icon. Type Downloader and install the app. Once it's installed, open Downloader. This will be our tool for getting Kodi on the FireStick. Step 3. Install Kodi on FireStick. Now let's install Kodi. Here's how. Open Downloader and enter the URL. Choose Android and then select the 32-bit version of Kodi. Wait for the APK file to download. Once downloaded, click Install. Great! Now you have Kodi installed on your FireStick. Next up, we'll add the Diggz Xenon Build. Step 4. Add the Diggz repository. To install the Diggz Xenon Build, we need to add its repository to Kodi. Open Kodi and go to Settings. Select File Manager. Click Add Source and then click Enter the URL and click OK. Name the source Diggz repo and click OK again. Now the Diggz repository is ready. Let's install the build. Step 5. Install Diggz Xenon Build. Here's where the magic happens. Follow these steps to install the build. Go back to Settings and select Add-ons. Choose Install from zip file and select Diggz repo. Click on repository.diggzmatrix.zip to install the repository. Once installed, select Install from repository. Open Diggz repository program add-ons Chef Wizard. 5.1 Install Chef Wizard. Now, let's load the Diggz Xenon Build to the Chef Wizard. Go to Add-ons program add-ons Chef Wizard. Select Builds and choose Diggz Xenon Plus. Pick the Fresh Install option. Wait for the build to download and install. Once done, Kodi will restart with the new Diggz Xenon interface. Step 6. Explore the build. Look at that. Your Kodi is now loaded with the Diggz Xenon Build. Explore its stunning interface and enjoy features like pre-installed add-ons, easy navigation, and a great selection of streaming content. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Diggz Xenon Kodi Build on your FireStick. Enjoy streaming like never before. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.